Hey guys, this is D Cartracker here. I was just doing some repair, just removing these buttons here, and I was changing this board on the Tesla screen for Maserati. So we no longer use this one. So if you order the new version of the Maserati radio, you will not have this piece here. That normally you would have a hole right there. So this is where these two plugs would come out. Um, we no longer use that one because it's not compatible with the what do you call it, the radar sensor. So we simplify it with a just simple what do you call it, a can box. So that's what's gonna make you be able to get the sound coming for your parking sensor and things like that. So right now I was just doing the update. I just got done finished. As you can see, I got my I had to remove the old board in there because this one was not compatible as well. So as you can see here, I had to remove this piece here and to put it on a new board. Officially done with that. So these are just no longer good. This is still good, but obviously I'm not gonna use it. So I'm probably just gonna take a picture of it and render it in 3D and just redesign these buttons and probably just trying to make them shorter in this case. Um, and the next step, for those of you who's installing it for the first time, and you will see this is the air vent that's coming from the old bezel from the Maserati. So all you got to do, you can see those clip, it's gonna snap into them. So you just take it, you set it on top of it, align it. As you can see here, I'm just trying to align it properly. So once you align it, and if it's exactly perfectly the way it's supposed to be, and then you just push down, there you go, it just snaps and it's on securely right now. um so that's about it. Then the only thing you have to do is just make sure you're tucking these cables where they're supposed to be uh, before you go back in to put it in the car and things like that. That's pretty much it, guys, and you plug in all your wires and you're done. So right now I'm just getting ready to go in the car and put it back together. So here, don't forget these right here. You're gonna have to take them off the old radio, and we're gonna go in the car. I'll show you exactly how you do that. Alright guys, so as you can see, so these are the wires. So this is the USB plugs. That's what sent power through here. And these two cables, so this gonna be your radio antenna, and this is your GPS antenna. I fit it through and run it down here, and then you'll have this box here, this box here with the cable. As you can see there, right there it says rear camera, and you connect it to the other one. That's his rear camera as well, so it's in Chinese obviously. And this you would be plugging it in the back of the Maserati radio and stuff like that. So not the old radio, the new radio, the Tesla's touchscreen, that's what I meant. All right, and as I was saying earlier, so we changed the system, and now in order for you to hear the sound, we add this additional speaker here. All you gotta do, just tuck it right on there. Then there shouldn't it should be out of sight, out of mind. You won't even know it was there to begin with. And this is the one that triggered the radar and stuff like that. So whenever you backing up. So as far as right now, this is all it is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take these clips here, right here. I'm gonna put them in this hole and push them in. There we go. Do the same thing. And the corner down there, you do the same thing as well. Alright, so now once I done plug all the cables and everything, I just push the radio back in, it'll snap on and it will not come out. Alright, and that's all there is to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing down, and don't forget these lines right here. So this is your AC vent, control. So this control your vent, closing it on and off. So don't forget that to install. So there's one on each side. So just don't make sure you remember to do that, because if you don't, then your AC vent, so when you close the vent, it's not gonna close. Just remember that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone down and hook up the radio and show it to you. Right, but remember, so before you do that, every time when you remove the radio from the Maserati, you need to make sure that you test it up first. Test it to make sure the radio actually turns on and everything